Step into the Verge in Orlando, a student accommodation that blends simplicity with luxury and style, only for you. Choose from gorgeous 2 to 4 bedroom apartments and enjoy a cosy bed, dedicated study space, and an in-unit washer and dryer for easy laundry days. Your rent also covers water, internet, cable, and pest control, so no surprise costs. Stay active in the 24-hour fitness centre or unwind in the yoga room, then refocus in the study lounge with a coffee bar pick-me-up. Recharge with a dip in the resort-style pool or lazy hammock naps. On weekends, take to the tennis or basketball courts, challenge friends on the volleyball court, and enjoy a cookout in the outdoor kitchen with friends. The gated property offers on-site maintenance, courtesy patrol, and covered parking for extra peace of mind. You're just a short drive from the University of Central Florida and Valencia College. Catch a bus at Jefferson Commons Cir or hop on a train from Brightline Orlando Station for easy city access. So rejoice in the student community at the Verge in Orlando today via amberstudent.com.